Design. This is Steve.
Alright, what's up everybody? How are we doing? A real quick review today on the MagSafe Charger by Apple. Basically what the MagSafe is doing is it's just not allowing you to actually physically plug your phone in like so. You're actually now, or your ear pods or whatever, you actually just lay them on this flat surface and they'll auto charge. Now, as you can tell, it's typical Apple packaging. You have your instructions and your warranty and such, but we're going to be pretty quick about this review. So opening this up, you can see here is the MagSafe charger, and here is the actual USB-C charging port. So it should hopefully charge phones pretty darn quick. Just opening this up real quick, we'll plug it on real quick, or how many times do I say real quick? We'll plug it in and we will give it a quick test here. So plugging this in at the USB-C port on the side, you should see that now. I will disconnect my phone from here, and basically let's just see if I can put this on here, and as you can see, boom, charging. So that's a MagSafe. No reason to plug things in anymore. Super like convenient when you're just sitting down and you have your phone by you while you're working on your machine doing what you need to do. So guys, that is the MagSafe charger. Super cool product by Apple. I mean, it is $40 retail, but I do think it's worth it because as you plug in and pull out, I mean, that can be inconvenient. Not only that, it also does do a little bit of damage in some phones. But with that being said, guys, thanks for catching the review, and we'll catch you in the next one. Like and subscribe. That stuff helps. Peace.